Hello angels, and welcome back to my channel. It is Ray Savvy here, and I am back with another video. As you all can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you how I pimped baby Savvy's ride, her Power Wheel here to match her mommy's car. So if you want to see how I did this DIY, go ahead and keep watching this video. Okay angels, let's hop right into this flip. Just a little backstory on this Power Wheel. I did get it secondhand off of OfferUp because it was just a good deal that I bundled with some other stuff, and it came with 2 batteries, and it was just a deal for me. But that's why I decided to flip it, because yes, I do like Frozen, but to be honest, the lack of representation is a little daunting on me. I'll never buy anything this large with Frozen on it, just because it just matters, like the images that I am dedicating my money towards and all that good stuff. So I definitely wanted to do something a little different, and because I am a Jeep owner, not a Wrangler yet, but because I have a Jeep, I did want to do kind of mommy and me kind of thing with this flip. So here I am showing you all how I took it apart, and these are just the pieces that I was able to get off. So the grill here, the utility rack / light bar in the back, the hood, the bumper, and the seats, of course. All the other things, I did want to keep the whole like mix and matching color scheme going, but I couldn't get everything off. Like, it was either like too hard, or I was literally gonna have to take apart the whole car, and I just did not want to do that. So these are the pieces I left in. I even left the batteries in. But the next step for me is just to clean it very good, trying to get all the dust off and all the years of dirt off, so hopefully the paint and everything that I put on the car just adhere better to the plastic. So here I am just washing the car. I'm using some regular car washing solution, and it did like really good. Like it was sparkling in my eyes because it's been dirty since I got it. So definitely much needed. So once I had everything washed and dried, I went in with this black spray paint to spray all the pieces that I was going to spray black. As you can see, when I washed it, I did not take off any of the stickers. I just tried to make this as easy as possible for myself, and I knew I was going to have to get a lot of like glue to be going or something to get the stickers off, so I just decided to spray over them because it was easy. And I didn't decide to tape or anything. I just laid drop cloths over the car to get the best area coverage I could with the spray paint without overlapping anything. So here I am again, not taking the stickers off, and it also serves as a reminder as to what I have to replace. So when I'm doing like the details of replacing stickers or just like making some customizations, I'll know like what was there before, because I can clearly see it when I'm up close, but it's still like not like, it doesn't look bad. So went with it. So I did the front windshield, the bumper, and the wheels matte black. I did use a flat spray paint. It looks glossy now, but it's actually flat to give it a matte sort of look. And then I went in with the white for the seats, and this is actually a primer. I was surprised that it's a primer, but I actually went in with a primer on the seats. I had to cover this about 3 or 4 times, and then I used that primer on the car a little bit before I went in with this orange that you see here. So everything just got sprayed orange, but the front windshield, just to make my life a little bit easier. Okay, so for the fun part, y'all, the details, customizations, I just went ahead and printed off some new lights and some Jeep logos off of the internet, and I'm about to put y'all on with this little trick. I do some self lamination because I don't have a lamination machine. I use some shipping tape to do my lamination, and I don't even know where I got this from, but I've been doing it for a long time, so it works. And that's going to help, like, when it rains or if the car ever gets wet, it won't mess up the words and the little customizations I add. So I just laid it, the words onto the tape, and then I cover it front and back. So it kind of like seals the ink and paper inside of the 2 layers of tape. And it's laminated. So I do it to the words and also to the lights. Now, this is the last little bit of Frozen logo and Disney touches that I had to cover up was going to be on the lights. Now, I couldn't take it apart, so I could not spray paint it. So I'm using some metallic gold paint, acrylic paint, to cover it. It took about 3 layers of this paint to get it fully covered because the colors were so like pigmented. I had to cover it 3 times, but I'm glad I did do it because that Frozen and that purple just did not go with my orange. So that's what I did. And then also on the inside, so I have the outside orange, but then I go back in on like the Frozen, like the blue part you see there. I go back in with some red paint to give it like that like that caution light, red light feel. So the last step for me is just to like bling out the lights and some other, just the lights pretty much of the Jeep. So I did this in the back lights with these rhinestone jewels that I got from the Dollar Tree. So they were just $1, and I find it easier to put them on while the paint is still a little wet than adding like glue or anything like that, because as the paint dries, it helps the stickers stick better than just relying on the adhesive of the stickers. So just a little tip. Can get a little messier that way, but if you take your time, it turns out well. So I go in with the red jewels as well, just to bling it out. Now I didn't do like too much with this car. Like I wanted to go all out. I wanted to add fur to the seats, to the steering wheel and stuff like that, but I did a little bit to kind of like give the illusion of a mommy and me Jeep car to what I have. And also it leaves room for baby Savvy when she gets older, what she likes and what customization she might want to add to this car, because I plan on keeping this around for a long time. That's why I don't mind spending my time to do little things like this, because I'm gonna hold on to it for a good minute. So the final step here, as you can see, is I'm adding the lights to the back of the car. I can still kind of see like the stickers through the paint, but like when it's outside and not under like heavy lighting like I have here, you can't really see it. So it helped me know where to place the stickers, and I went in with like E6000 glue to tape the self-laminated stickers in place. And yeah, it's on there like just industrial strength glue, y'all. Like it's gonna be on there. But if you don't want to use like, or if you don't want to make your own details, you can also print off stickers off of the Power Wheel website. They're like $20 a pop, but I wasn't gonna do that. Okay, Angel, so you can see my car right there in the back. I think It's a pretty good match. Here it is, finally, the big reveal. Thanks for watching and be blessed. Oh. Be blessed.